Dogs know about living life to the fullest. In this video, we will talk about 10 greatest life lessons we can learn from a dog. Number 1. Loyalty. Heartwarming dog stories prove that dogs are very loyal companions found everywhere on the earth. Dogs truly are man's best friend. Their friendship will always be there. Even when you think you have lost everything, your dog will always be there by your side. That's one good reason why you love your four-legged friend. What does that teach you? You and I need to remind ourselves that loyalty is essential to build a strong friendship. It is an important trait that needs to be developed, but also very important to look for when choosing a friend. You want to be able to have friends that you can trust and that can trust you on the long term in return. Number 2. Be yourself. Your dog just loves being himself. Silly one day, happy or sad the other day. He doesn't care what you or what other people or pets around him think. That's what makes him so adorable. Be as adorable as your dog. Be you. Pretending to be something you are not will never make you happy. Love your personality and your personality will be just as adorable as your dog's. Number 3. Play. Who said you had to stop playing at a certain age? Life is short. Have fun. Your dog doesn't care whether he is 1 or 12 years old. As long as he can still play, he is happy. Just like your dog, your body needs to exercise and keep moving throughout all your life. Playing can include doing a sport like biking, running, hiking or walking. It can also include playing with your kids or grandkids. Not only it is good for the body, but playing is good for the mind and soul. It is part of what will help you keep young at heart throughout all your life. Number 4. Forgive. If you refuse to give your dog a treat because he begged you to, will he be mad at you the next day? No, it's inconceivable. Your dog is already back to happy only a few moments after you made him a little unhappy. What about you? Do you hold hard feelings for a long time after someone hurt you? You have two options: hold grudges or forgive. Considering the fact that holding a hard feeling can weigh you down emotionally and be bad for your health, it's a lot more pleasurable to just keep moving on with life. In any case, you are the one who it will affect. Choose to be happy and forgive. Life is beautiful. Life is too large than you think. Number 5. Show compassion. Who is most often the first one to come to you when you are crying or feeling upset? Your dog. He is often the first one to comfort you in the first place. Owning a dog is a great way to show you or your kids that one's life's basic need is to be kind and take care of others. These small things are the ones that enrich your life. Remember, everyone around you is going through something. Always be there. Number 6. Love unconditionally. True unconditional love. It is when someone loves you no matter how you look, no matter what car you own, no matter what house you live in, no matter whether you having a good or bad hair, and no matter how rough life gets. This is exactly how your dog loves you. Do you love him back this much? Do you love the people close to you with such warmth and kindness? Number 7. Live in the moment. Dogs live each moment to their fullest. They don't think about yesterday or about tomorrow. They listen to their main needs in the moment. Whether it is to play ball, sleep or eat, they enjoy what's happening in the moment and make it count. You and I have lots to learn about living this way. So let go a little and enjoy the moment. Number 8. Accept yourself. Dogs come in all shapes and sizes. Is your dog unhappy with his appearance? Of course not. He appreciates what he was given and happily lives with it. What about you? Humans come in all shapes and sizes also. But most of the time, they wish they had looked another certain way and try to change their appearance or personality. Imitate your dog and love your unique features. Learn to love everything about yourself and it will give you instant peace of mind. Number 9. Greet the ones you love. You woke up late, had a bad day at work, got stuck in traffic for a very long time coming back home, and finally you are at home. Who's there to greet you with a wagging tail and lots of love? Your dog, of course. He wishes you a warm welcome back home and definitely puts a smile on your face. Even after a rough day, pay this greeting forward to your own family members when they come back home. Just like you, these little things are what will make other people's day too. Number 10. Enthusiasm. When well treated, a dog is enthusiastic and gets excited really easily. They really enjoy the small things. Going out for a walk, play ball and eat, for example. This reminds you to leave your negative thoughts behind and think more positively. There are still many things to learn from your dog. He can constantly surprise you in so many good ways. His unconditional love, loyalty and companionship really affect your emotional well-being in such a positive way that he will always be there to brighten your day, whether you are having a bad one or a good one. Thank you for being with me. Subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to get a notification of next positive story. Thank you.